My name is Andy, and tomorrow morning, when you stop at a red light, look up, because someone is waiting for it to change. Not randomly, not instinctively, but on purpose. Here's what people don't know. In this city, there's a bird that understands traffic better than most drivers, and if that sounds exaggerated, watch what he does next. It's 6:03 a.m. The streets are almost empty. He's perched above the intersection, completely still. Red, green, red again. In his beak, a walnut. He doesn't crack it. He doesn't peck it. He waits. And when the light turns green, he drops it directly into moving traffic. Why? Hold that question, because the answer changes how you see this entire city. You see, most people think animals react, but reaction is about the present. This bird operates in the future. Here's what's fascinating. Crows possess an unusually dense cluster of neurons in a region of the brain responsible for executive control, the same category of function handled by your prefrontal cortex. Planning, impulse control, sequence tracking. In lab studies, crows have demonstrated delayed gratification, choosing a better reward later over an immediate one now. That means they can imagine outcomes that haven't happened yet. So when he watches the traffic signal, he isn't guessing, he's modeling. Now, let's go back to the walnut. He drops it only when the light is red and cars are stopped. Then he retreats. When the light turns green, vehicles accelerate forward. Tires roll over the shell. Pressure fractures it. And when the signal returns to red, he walks calmly into the crosswalk and retrieves the exposed kernel. This behavior has been documented in urban Japan. Multiple crows, multiple intersections, no human training. Here's what that requires cognitively. Understanding that red means stillness, green means force, red again means safety. That's causal reasoning. He's not afraid of traffic, he's using it. But traffic lights are only one pattern. He knows the bakery discards bread at precisely 6:12. He knows which schoolyard fills with crumbs at 7:03. He knows which rooftops produce thermal lift after sunrise. Have you ever thought about how repetitive your life is? Garbage trucks on schedule, office lights shutting off at the same minute, crosswalk signals cycling with mechanical precision. To you, it's routine. To him, it's structured information. Crows build cognitive maps, not just of place, but of time. Researchers have shown they remember not only where food is hidden, but when it will spoil. They adjust retrieval based on decay rates. That's episodic-like memory. He's not wandering the city, he's optimizing it. Then the shadow appears, a hawk, high above. Predators rely on stealth. Crows rely on coordination. He calls out. Within seconds, others rise. They mob the hawk, diving, harassing, forcing it higher until it leaves. But here's what changes everything. Crows remember faces. In controlled studies, researchers wearing specific masks captured birds. Years later, birds who had never been captured still scolded that same mask. The knowledge had been transmitted. That means memory isn't just individual, it's cultural. This isn't just a bird, it's a network. Further, one crow, in a lab, bent a straight wire into a hook to retrieve food. No demonstration, no training. She imagined the shape that didn't yet exist. Now look at this intersection again. Cars become nutcrackers. Buildings become cliffs. Traffic lights become timers. Urban environments create selection pressure. The bold eat more. The observant survive longer. Over generations, behavioral intelligence sharpens. This isn't just adaptation, it's urban evolution. Later, on a quieter street, there's a body. Another crow. He lands nearby. Others gather. They don't feed. They don't scatter. They watch. Researchers call these gatherings crow funerals. Some believe it's danger assessment, learning what killed one of their own. But stand there long enough, and it feels like more than analysis. It feels like recognition. He studies the body, studies the street, updates the map, and leaves. The system remembers. Cities weren't built for him. They were built to regulate you. Traffic signals, schedules, systems. But systems create patterns, and patterns invite intelligence. Tomorrow morning, when you stop at that same red light, look up, because while you're waiting to move, he's already calculating. And when it turns red, he won't hesitate. He'll be ready.